best in the world, but I'm going to show you some of the tricks that I know, that I've learned along the way.
Well, not only for that, but just hard to get.
Now when you switch over to a random orbital buffer, I just like using a wax fiber for waxing. A lot softer. It's not really even a wax, it's glaze. This makes waxing so much easier.
Oh yeah.
ZFest.
It was great making use of everything here at ZFest.
You know it. We leave no stone unturned.
No seed unturned.